Dear students, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Today I have come with another interesting story. The name of the story is The Elephant and the Dog. Have you seen the elephant?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen the dog?
Yes, sir.
Which one is bigger, the elephant or the dog?
Elephant.
Yes, the elephant is the bigger animal. Once upon a time, there was a king and he had an elephant. There was a trainer who would look after the elephant, who would take care of his food and bath. The trainer had a dog. Soon, the elephant and the dog became friends. Both would play together, both would eat together. Then, there comes a time when the trainer required a lot of money and he had no money. So, he had only option to sell his dog. He sold his dog to a rich merchant. So, dog has to go with the rich merchant. Then what happened? As both the friends have to separate from one another, with the passage of time, the elephant stopped eating. The elephant stopped bathing. And everyone in the kingdom thought that the elephant has become ill. So, the king called on the doctor and doctor examined the elephant. And what did he said? He said, the elephant is not ill. He has lost his friend. He is without friend. So, you have to arrange his friend. That is why he is not eating food. That is why he is not playing. So, the king asked everyone that the person who had taken the dog, which is the friend of the elephant, will be punished. Then what happened? In the fear of punishment, the rich merchant left the dog free and the dog was happy. He started running and where did he came? He came to his friend the elephant. So, the elephant got his friend dog and both were now happy. They started playing, they started eating together and now the elephant also started taking bath. When the food was given to elephant, the elephant pushed the ball towards the dog so that he could take the food first. This is all about the story. Did you like the story?
Yes, sir.
Now, let me ask some questions to all of you. The name of the story is, who will tell me?
The
Yes?
elephant and the dog.
Very good. It is the elephant and the dog. The elephant and the dog. The elephant is noun or pronoun? The elephant is noun or pronoun?
Noun.
Very good. Why? Because it is a name. Name of something, name of some animal. Similarly, elephant is also a noun. Big elephant. What is big here?
Big. Adjective.
Very good. Clap for Udbhav. Big elephant. Small dog. What is small here?
Adjective.
Very good. Small is adjective. The elephant stopped eating. The elephant stopped eating. What is stopped here? What is stopped here? It is action. He is doing something. He stopped eating. What is stopped? It is verb. Right? Similarly, eating. Eating is also a verb. Okay, have you enjoyed the story?
Yes, sir.
Good.